Hello everybody and welcome back. So today, before we start, hit that subscribe button before we start. It'll take you 1 second. Okay, right, today what we're going to do, we're going to create a dictionary and we're going to extract the keys and we're going to extract the values from that dictionary. So first off, I'm going to start by creating the dictionary with a dictionary called names. So dictionary here, we've got keys and we've got values in here. So we've got Joe. Okay, that's the name. Okay, and Joe is a programmer. Joe is a programmer. And we've got Paul here. And Paul is a chef. Okay, so that's our little dictionary set up. And now we're going to write a couple of little functions to extract the keys and to extract the values from. So I'm going to call this get keys. So get keys here. So K, whoops, let's should have done that first. Okay, so K is equal to names, which is the dictionary, dot keys. Okay, now we're going to print out a message to the user. So print these are the keys. Okay, and then a new line, and the K there for the keys. Okay, and then we're going to say get values. So now we're going down to another function that I'm going to create in a second called get values. Okay, so get values, and this function, as you guessed, is going to get the values from the dictionary. Okay, so V is equal to names dot values. Okay, names dot values. Print these are the values, and new line there. Okay, and that's going to be V there. Okay, now what we've got to do, we've got to call the function. So I'm going to call get keys. So get keys here, and save it first of all. So you should be saving your Python files in a folder called Python. I've already done this, so all I have to do now is click save, and it will just save that to the file that I opened before in my Python directory. Now all we're going to do is run the program. And there you go, Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. Just check out this. So these are the keys, the dictionary keys here, Joe and Paul. As we got up here, Joe and Paul. These are the values, dictionary values, so programmer and chef. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed that, and remember to hit that like button and hit the subscribe button as well. Don't forget to do that before you leave. It'll help the channel out and it'll make me happy. So I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.